In the meantime, Justice Minister Delroy Chuck, he is siding with JFJ regarding the position on the death penalty. He agrees that it's not a deterrent to crime.
When the state uses violence, which is what the death penalty is, to solve a problem, the state thinks it has solved a problem, but it is using violence and telling people that is how we solve problems. And anyone who has studied capital punishment will know that the history of capital punishment was the perpetuation of a cycle of violence.
Investigations continue into a major gun find and ammunition find in St. James yesterday. It's reported that shortly after a man identified as Andre Young was killed on the Rose Hall Main Road, the police launched an operation in Lilliput in the parish. That's where the deceased man and his alleged attackers are from. The lawmen recovered more than 100 rounds of assorted ammunition, a multi-caliber rifle, and a 9mm pistol. Reports are that the man was shot by occupants traveling in a black Mercedes-Benz. The car then drove off in the direction of Trelawney.